Nothing Phone 3 is here, but what's up with that price? So here's the deal. Nothing just dropped the Phone 3 and it's priced at rupees 79,999. That's right. 80,000 for a phone with a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. Now don't get us wrong, that's a solid chip. But in the same ballpark, you're looking at actual flagships. The iPhone 16 with Apple's A18 or the Galaxy S25 with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Suddenly, that value for money pitch from nothing? Yeah, that's out the window. This is particularly odd for a company that built its identity around affordable cool. The Phone 3A and 3A Pro were fan favorites. Reviewers loved them, audiences lapped them up. Great specs, aggressive pricing, unique design. All of that made sense. But the Phone 3? Not so much. Not only is it more expensive in India than in the US, despite being made in India, but the 16GB version crosses into near luxury territory at rupees 89,999. That's bonkers, especially for a phone that shares the same chip as the Poco F7 and iQOO Neo 10, both of which come in under rupees 35,000. Let's pause here. Both of those phones come with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, similar RAM configurations and massive batteries, 7,000 mAh and up. And yeah, their software isn't as polished and their cameras aren't as refined, but at less than half the price, they don't have to be. Now to be fair, Nothing's software experience is slick and the design is always a conversation starter. It's the same this time as well for the Nothing Phone 3, but there has to be more to a premium smartphone experience than good software and looks, right? Which brings us to the heart of the issue. What does flagship even mean anymore? Because if you're paying 80,000 rupees, you expect flagship performance, not just decent performance in a pretty shell. And definitely not the same specs found in phones that cost nearly a third of the price. The Nothing Phone 3 may look the part, but at this price, it's playing in the big leagues and right now, it just doesn't have the chops to back it up.